The new generation CFORCE 450 and CFORCE 520 feature across-the-board improvements for class-leading ATV performance. A smart new look with design attributes to keep pace with their rugged lifestyle. Class-leading turning radius, 25% lighter steering, and greater carry and tow capacities. New rider-friendly ergonomics with a higher handlebar, narrower fuel tank, and softer seat. Engine vibration has been reduced for best-in-class all-day comfort. Updated independent suspension for a better ride with increased travel and ground clearance. New all-terrain tires improve comfort and off-road capability. A big 5-inch TFT display. Optional Ride Vision Light technology. Easy maintenance and routine servicing. Up your game with CFMOTO.